I got this today and I'm gonna try it out. It was my daughter that actually convinced me to get one of these because she speaks very highly of them, and I found one that I think is for me. Faith Weights and Protein Shakes. I got this today and I'm gonna try it out. I'm kind of hesitant because I feel like it's probably not gonna stick to my phone. Well, it finally fell off. Popsocket instructions. Got a lot of stuff in the way. I do all of my filming from my cell phone, so this Popsocket is supposed to help hold my phone in place, make it a little bit easier. So I have to take my phone out of the case to film this. Well, I guess since I do not have an iPhone and I'm not applying it directly to my phone, those instructions are no good. I'm gonna peel off this back and stick it on here. I feel like I should probably clean that off with something before I put that on. Clean that off there. Here goes nothing. I have to admit, I'm a little bit worried that I'm gonna stick it down and not be happy with it. Faith Weights protein shakes are going right in here. And there we go. Pops out pretty far. When I vlog, makes it a little easier to hold. Pretty impressed. You can't really see, but it's actually pretty comfy to hold and easy to hold. Like you can see, I'm holding it with my hand down instead of off to the side. Holding it off to the side now. Look how easily I can hold this. Whoop, about like that. Wrong way. Let's see what I'm doing. Flipping the camera around. So this is what it looks like. It's a lot easier for me to film myself and hold it like this. I can even hold it like this. That's kind of nice. Not very comfortable, mind you, but it is a way that I can hold it without blocking the microphone. I can take it and hold it like this between these fingers or between these fingers. I rather enjoy my Popsocket because usually I hold my camera like this and I block the screen a little bit, and sometimes I feel like there might be an echo. Now I have no worries with the Popsocket. Faith Weights and Protein Shakes. I rather like it. If you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to the channel, like, and then leave me a comment if you've got a Popsocket or how long you've had one and whether or not you like it. I'll see you in tomorrow's video.